In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Kanban board in Trello step by step. If you want a simple way to manage tasks, organize projects, and keep track of progress visually, a Kanban board in Trello is one of the easiest and most powerful tools you can use. Whether you're managing personal goals, client work, or a team project, this method will get you up and running in just a few minutes. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Trello, you can quickly sign up using your email address or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello home dashboard, where you can see your existing boards and workspace. Now, to create your Kanban board, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Create button. This will open a drop-down menu with a few different options. Since we want a structured Kanban setup, click on Start with a Template. Trello provides a variety of templates designed for different workflows, which makes things much faster instead of building everything from scratch. After clicking Start with a Template, you'll see a gallery of available templates. In the search bar or template list, find and click on the Kanban template. This template already includes the classic Kanban structure, with columns like To Do, Doing, and Done, which are perfect for visual task management. Once you select the Kanban template, you'll be prompted to customize your board. The first thing you need to do is type in your board title. Choose something descriptive based on your project, for example, marketing plan, website redesign, study tracker, or personal task manager. Naming your board clearly helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create multiple boards in the future. After entering your board title, review the workspace selection if needed, then click on Create. Trello will now generate your brand new Kanban board using the template. Within seconds, you'll see your board appear with pre-built columns and example cards. Now let me quickly explain how the Kanban structure works so you can start using it effectively. Each vertical column represents a stage in your workflow. Typically, you'll have a To-Do column for tasks that haven't been started, a Doing column for tasks currently in progress, and a Done column for completed work. You can fully customize these columns by renaming them, adding new ones, or deleting any you don't need. To add a task, simply click Add a Card under any column. Type the task name, press Enter, and your card will appear instantly. You can click on any card to open it and add more details, such as descriptions, due dates, checklists, attachments, labels, and team members. The real power of Kanban in Trello is the drag and drop functionality. As work progresses, you can simply drag a card from To Do to Doing and then to Done. This gives you a clear visual overview of progress at any time. It's simple, clean, and extremely effective for productivity. And that's it. You've successfully created a Kanban board in Trello using a template. Now you can start organizing your tasks, tracking progress, and managing projects more efficiently. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.